Hello, my name is Jonathan. I am 37 years old. I am happily married. I live in Bogota. I work in market agents as a data analyst. I am a keen, responsible, and collaborative person. I also like to play basketball. For activity for this activity, I select option A, comparative. I go comparative to image. Image 1 Park Simón Bolívar, image 2 Park San Andrés. In the park of image 1, there is lake which water attraction which will make is less exciting going for a run. But in image 2 there are more sport courts which makes the park image 1 less boring. In image 2 is the walk 18 which makes is less entertaining to go to any sport and then go shopping.